Honestly, could you use some more free targeted traffic? Traffic you could send anywhere to any affiliate offer or to your websites to sell your products or services. Of course you do. We all need more traffic for our online businesses. What if you could get all the free, highly targeted traffic you need in just 3 simple steps? Oh, and this works in any niche. Would you say yes? I bet you would. Okay, let me show you how. Right here on this page, you can get a piece of software that will get you straight to the first page of both Google and YouTube. It's just 3 simple steps. And you won't need to use any SEO, create backlinks, or social signals, like every single person trying to get onto the first page of Google and YouTube does. All you need is traffic magic. Traffic magic is the fastest way to go from seeing no results to getting your video on the first page of Google and YouTube. Now, why video? Because results are almost instant since Google owns YouTube. This way, you could get your videos through YouTube's backdoor and outrank any website in the world in minutes, especially when you know how to do it. You've seen YouTube videos on the top of Google's page 1 for almost every single phrase you search for, right? It's not a coincidence. Have you ever tried to rank your YouTube video and failed before? No worries, we have a tested and proven to work system for ranking any video on the first page of Google and YouTube. Now first, most importantly, we need to have a phrase or keyword to rank for, and 93% of people get this wrong. Number 2, you need to know how Google ranks videos for different phrases you choose, and these are always different. Of course, you can spend a lot of time doing this manually unless you're an SEO expert. Well, most people hate SEO. We do, and we want results today and not a few weeks from now. And that's exactly why we developed Traffic Magic. Traffic Magic actually finds the right keywords you wouldn't be able to find manually even if you wanted to, adds in the ranking factors, and applies it to your video. The result? Your video on the first page of both Google and YouTube. Just imagine all the free targeted traffic you could get this way. All this is done in 3 simple steps and works in any niche. First, enter the keyword and click. Second, choose one of the phrases Traffic Magic suggested to you from the regular or trending phrases. And 3, Traffic Magic works its magic and allows you to get your videos on the first page of Google and YouTube. Okay, that's amazing, but what if you don't have any videos or the time to, well, film them? You're probably not an SEO expert or a professional video marketer, and that's why we include a huge done-for-you videos pack, which includes videos in different niches, intros, outros, music, and more. Traffic Magic is a complete solution for getting you free targeted traffic in any niche. Check out our page 1 ranking results from Google and YouTube below this video. Now you can rank any video you like in minutes. So do you want to get your videos ranked in the next hours and get all the free traffic that comes with it? Sound good? Okay, well here's what you need to do now. Check out the rest of this page and the results. Watch the demo to see how easy to use this is. And 3, click on the Buy Now button to get your hands on Traffic Magic. And if you'll buy today, you could get it for a one-time price, no monthly payments. Start enjoying all the free traffic that you always needed today. Do it now before the price rises again.
Hey, this is Art from Traffic Magic, and I just wanted to record this quick video for you to show you how Traffic Magic actually works, how powerful it is, and how you can rank any video on the top of Google and YouTube. Okay, so I'm logged into Traffic Magic right now, and how it works is you have the research module right here. So all you're gonna do is select a keyword. So I'm gonna go with dog whistle right here. I'm gonna pick a country. Obviously this works for any country in the world, but we're gonna go with United States, and we're gonna click on search videos. And as you can see, we have a bunch of different keywords right here. So we get the keywords, we have traffic from, which means that it will be easy or not easy to rank in YouTube and Google. And if you see this Google icon here, it means that this keyword is trending, which means that Google is actually actively promoting it. So this is a good thing. But what we are going to look for here is the difficulty rank of not medium, not danger, but easy. This one right here. So we have dog whistle app. This will be a keyword that will be super easy to rank for. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna go right here, search video from YouTube. I'm gonna click right here, and this will take us to, and this will bring up all of these videos that are ranked for this page already on YouTube. So all we have to do right now is just pick one. For example, this one has 600,000 views, 269 likes, 179 dislikes. All we have to do is just open it right here and then go to YouTube, and we already have our keyword, which was dog whistle app. All we have to do is add the keyword in the title and the description and in the tags. And also what we can do is we can copy the rest of the description right here. Obviously not copy word for word, but sort of mimic, rewrite it, and also use the tags from this video right here. So this is all you have to do to be able to rank this video inside YouTube and Google. Super simple. In most cases you won't need any backlinks or social signals or anything like that, because these keywords are already easy to rank for. So this is how easy it is. And another cool thing is that you can actually click here on add videos, and you can add videos directly from your blog. So this is just an additional feature that we added for you if you want to hook up your blog to your YouTube channel. And going up here, we're gonna go back to the dashboard right here, and as you can see, we have our website added already right here. You can add your website or multiple websites right here, control all of your content from right here. If we're gonna go to settings, as you can see, we have the WordPress settings and also content spinning that is included in Traffic Magic. Very important, saves you a ton of time. But essentially the most powerful feature right here is this one right here, finding keywords. Again, let's go with the dog whistle right here. Finding these keywords that are in the green, that will give you automatic rankings both on Google page 1 and YouTube page 1. And all you have to do is just upload a video to YouTube, and in most cases you will rank in minutes, again with no backlinks, with no social signals, obviously. So this is how powerful this is. As you can see, you can do all of this literally in minutes. You can use your old videos and re-upload them to YouTube. You can use other people's videos. You can pay other people to do the videos for you, like on Fiverr. So a ton of different options for you. If you don't want to actually film the videos yourself, we have a ton of video training included, obviously, on both how to use the software and how to make money with it. So I'm really looking forward to seeing you inside the members area of Traffic Magic. See you there.